You must be the hero of your story. You must be the hero of your play. You must be the Hèru of the narrative in which you are creating. And today's video is about Horus, guys. Welcome to Occult Cat TV. What's up? I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Cool Cat or Atanu. So let's get down to business, boys. Let's get down to business. So today I'm talking about Lord Horus. Woo! This is a deity I've been with for probably my whole life, years. Consciously, I consciously started working with Thoth and Horus kind of together, but Thoth first, and then from Thoth I found Horus. He doesn't speak too much. When you kind of like when you first start to interact with him, he's more just like an eye in the sky, like caw, caw, and then from that he's showing you that he's protective over you until a certain point where he'll come to you and he'll start to kind of teach you magic. Does he say, "Hey, we're learning No, no, and especially not for me because I wasn't fully on my magical path. I was, but I was trying to understand who I was at the same time. And when I looked at the hero's journey archetype, like the hero's journey narrative, right? I remember Bobby Hemmett, an occult lecturer, saying that you have to be the Hèru. You have to be the hero or the Hèru of your story. The Hèru, hero, it's the same word. You can even say hero just adapted and evolved from Hèru because that's what they believed Horus was. He was the victor, and he was the hero of his story. In Egypt, he was the victor, the hero. So by working with Horus, what does this ensure? This ensures victory. This ensures protection, the conquest of your enemies. Using the Eye of Horus, this symbol, placing it on yourself, protecting yourself with it, this places you under Horus's house, under his domain. So it's about using that symbol if you wish to work with Horus, right? You look at it, you gaze into it, and then from that, he is focusing on you. As he focuses on you, this is actually transmuting you. This is empowering you, just as by me focusing on you, right? This empowers you. By you focusing on me, this empowers me. So like, I'll do some Reiki, some golden light Reiki. The way that I do this, right, because this is something that Horus teaches. As he teaches protection, he also teaches healing. So we could say energy manipulation, right? So start with just going like this. Just feel your energy, right? Like feel golden light just filling you, right? Wave off your energy, right? Just cleanse it, empower it, right? We're going to channel the energy by using our breath. Trying to pull up the Kundalini energy, right? Pull up our energetic structure and system, or our energetic. As we bring our energetic structure and matrix online, it's by raising our Kundalini. So we imagine a golden Kundalini flowing through the front of us, through the front. If you still believe in chakras or have chakras, it can be the chakras, but flowing through your energetic body, going up and then around and then through the well of life chakra, the God Nazala, the life's the well of God chakra at the back of your neck, back of your head, and then have it flow through your arms into your hands, right? Golden Reiki energy, right? If you're attuned to energy, you should be feeling it. It should be empowering you. And then I'm giving you Reiki. I'm giving you golden light. So I'm imagining golden light flowing through you, flowing through your bloodstream, flowing through your body, as well your energetic system, unifying yourself, empowering you. Hèru. Thoth Hèru Ra, Thoth Hèru Ra, Thoth Hèru Ra, Thoth Hèru Ra. And as I give you this energy, right, on top of teaching you healing, Horus also teaches you magic. And from the energy manipulation, we move into magic. What is chanting? Magic. I'm using sound, sonics, frequency and vibration to say something, a word of power, right? Thoth. That's a word of wisdom, of magic, right? Gods are just the deific embodiment or avatars of words. Ma'at is actually just a concept, a personification. The 42 ideals of Ma'at are things in which you can say to purify your energy, to purify your essence, because you're stating that I no longer am doing this. Even if you've done it, it's you say it so that you're programming your human mind, right? You're programming your ego to not do those things. I will not I will not fuck another dude's bitch. I will not steal. I will not, you know what I mean? And then as you keep saying those things over time, it helps you to step into your power, and then with that, your purpose, and embody who you are. Because the more truth that you emanate, the less that you like, well, I don't really steal, but like, this and that, like, people's situations are different, but the less that you steal, the less that you do things that are corrupting your soul, this empowers you and it helps you. So you say the 42 ideals of Ma'at to lessen the effects of your ego attaching itself to you, right? That's why we cheat, that's why we steal, that's why we lie, manipulate. It's just because of the ego. So if you have your ego in dis-ease, disbalance, a good way to bring it into balance, bring it back in alignment, into being, would be to work with Ma'at as well as Horus. So this is how beautiful the Egyptian pantheon is. And I actually have a video either released or coming out soon, a whole video on the whole Egyptian pantheon and how to do Egyptian magic. And this is just a precursor video, just like kind of bringing you guys there. But what's so beautiful is that we can use these energies to empower us, right? So we have Horus gazing at us, placing his awareness on us by quantum physics standards, or spooky ghost phenomena, it's called, right? um, or spooky action at a distance, coined by Einstein. It's that by a particle observing another particle, it can actually go to that particle. So just like as we observe Horus, he can come to us and empower us. As he views us, we can go to him, an astral project, you could say. And the reason why this is so powerful is because Horus is with us at any moment he chooses through quantum physics. So by him observing us, him focusing on us, this gives us focus and clarity in our own day to do the things that we need, to do the things that we desire, as well get our work done. Whether you are a musician, an artist, a businessman, you're seeking enlightenment. These are all the things that Horus can shine light on you, right? To enlighten you, to bring you into the know and help you to understand our greater reality. Horus has been one of the best beings I've ever worked with, honestly. He's just, he's kind, he's ruling, he's empowering. He tells you truth. He tells you truly how it is. So I can see the simulation. Yes, I can see the simulation. I can see the similarities between why people think that Aiwass is Horus, and as well why they associate Aiwass with Satan, because Satan is endless truths. Horus is clarity. In the same way, these kind of do similar things, you could say, if you understand what I mean, based off Thelema and just things of that nature. So as well, Horus can help you to understand the simulation and cut through the simulation at a greater rate, at a faster pace. And then from that, help you to understand who you are. He brings you into your past lives. He brings you into knowing and helping again, you to understand who you are and know thyself. This is the most important aspect that Horus can help you with, is to know thyself. Meditate on the Eye of Horus, meditate on these golden energies and Hèru's energies, and notice your life quantumly shift and actually get better overnight. Horus is the patron of pharaohs, the patron of kings, of leaders, rulers. And with that, they even say that the pharaoh was actually just a projection of Horus within the matrix, so an incarnated deity or god, right? And which means, so the pharaoh wasn't even here, just like kind of Jesus's or Yeshua's words of, I am of here but not from here, or something, you know? It's just like the pharaoh and Horus. Horus, in a sense, chose to incarnate as an aspect or a fragment to be the pharaoh, to guide and rule people justly, rightly, right, in justice. And and from that is, in a sense, that's how the gods were ruling. They were aspects, and this is what created people being incarnated gods. It's not ego. We are all different as a soul, and that's why some of us are gods, some of us are not. Some of us are meant to serve, some of us are meant to rule. There's no ego about it. There's different aspects of the kingdom. Does everyone want to be a king? Yeah, right? Everyone wants to, like, or should everyone be a king? No. Does everyone want to be a king? Yeah. Some have the ability and the qualities to rule, to command. It's just in their energy. Some have the ability and qualities to serve. Not being a lesser or under, it's just like the infernal hierarchy, right? Lucifer commands the demons. Does that mean the demons are like, they're lessers to him? Innocent? No, he doesn't view it like that. It's the same with Hèru or the Pharaoh. They don't view it as that. The Pharaoh's main purpose, the whole purpose for the Pharaoh was to unify the lands. The Pharaoh was always the diviner. They were the ones that talked to Horus. What do we need to do next? Oh, do this, do that. Oh, okay, cool. And then, and that's why they ruled. That's why they had so much power over others, because they knew where they were going. They saw the vision, right? Are you seeing the vision? Use your clarity to see the vision. And with that as well, it's funny. My name's O'Shea, or also like the concept in Egypt, Shay, or fate. So my name means fate in a sense, but O'Shea is a Gaelic word that means Osegdad, comes from Osegdad, meaning hawk-like. So even for myself, I am an emanation of Horus. I am hawk-like. I'm like a caw, caw. Like I got the eyes to see. I see with clarity and focus. And that's why I'm so grateful for everything that I've been given along my path. I'm very grateful. And I give back because I've been through so much, and I know as well you guys go through so much. So this is why I teach this stuff. This is why I'm here, getting you guys in the know, unifying the lands, right? Upper and Lower Egypt, you know what I'm saying? As above, so below, so that we can all be in the know and better understand where we're going. And this is how Horus, Hèru, can help you. With that, guys, have a beautiful day. This was Cult Cat TV. I'm your host, O'Shea. Peace. I'm out. Have a good one, guys. Stay blessed.